Where are the other friends? Just ask where are they? Are they coming or not? Just message in group. Just message them. See.
Yeah, भैया.
Yeah. मंत्रा दीदी. हेलो अब्दुल समाद.
हेलो भैया. हेलो दीदी.
अब्दुल समाद.
भैया.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi Mantra. I have made you the co-host. Okay.
I might drop off in a bit, okay? Like
Fine, fine. No,
I'm get a call, so just saying.
no issues. Abdul Samad, Tejas, and Razia, just see where are the other people. Like, if you can message them. I'm audible, right, Abdul Samad? You can hear me clearly.
Yes, yes, yes. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, भैया?
You're on mute, Abdul Samad, I guess. If you're talking to me,
No, I can hear him.
you can hear him.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, I can't.
Wait a minute, I'll leave them.
Hi, Amir. Mantra,
Huh?
can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Clearly, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And भैया, can you?
Tejas, you can hear me, right? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me, Tejas. Hi, Amir. Hi, Aryan. Amir and Aryan, give me a thumbs up if you are with us. Hi, Amir. Hello, Aisha. Hello, Aisha.
Hello, Isha. Sir.
Yes.
बोली ना.
It's okay, Aisha. Yeah. Hello, Alfisha. Hello, Aryan. Hello, Amir.
Hi भैया.
Hi, Alfisha. Hi, Aryan.
भैया, you can hear me?
We'll wait for more 3 minutes, okay? It is 10:47. Till 10:50 we'll wait, okay? Just give me a thumbs up if you can hear me clearly. All of you give me a thumbs up. Okay, Aisha has given me a thumbs up. Alfisha, I don't know where Abdul Samad is. Maybe he's facing some technical issues. Okay. Razia has given me a thumbs up. Tejas has given me a thumbs up. Razia, sorry. And hello, Mehak. Nice to see you.
Hello, भैया.
Yes. We'll start in 2 minutes, 3 minutes. All of you just mute yourself before that, and all of you are in mute. That's very good. Nice to see your videos on Tejas, Aisha, and Mehak. And those who can't on the videos, that's also good. I can understand. Yeah, Alfisha, nice to see you. Nice to see you, Razia. We'll wait for more 2 minutes. If you can see my screen, just give me a thumbs up. Yes, I got 2 thumbs up. Aisha and Mehak, it's okay if you off the video. I can understand the network problem. It's okay. If you have good network, then keep it on.
भैया, now you can hear me?
Yes, Abdul Samad, I can hear you. It's not your problem, I guess. I have problem with my mobile. My loudspeaker has been damaged.
I deleted the Zoom and then again.
Okay, fine. Now I can hear you very clearly.
Yes.
We'll wait for 1 more minute. Whether it is Fayaz, Ove, Sikra, Salman. Can you see my screen? No, right? Give me a thumbs up when you start seeing my screen, okay? Now you can see my screen? Yeah.
What bhaiya you tell?
No, you can see my screen, right? Just give me a thumbs up. Very good. Very good. Yeah. So we'll start now. It's 10:51 and we'll start. Okay. So as the the 2 weeks that we are doing, we are being a author and a poet. So welcome future authors and poets. You are all going to be authors. You were authors last week, like you were readers last week, and this week you're all poets. Okay. Yesterday we wrote a poem, and I guess I am hoping that you have that poem with you right now. If you don't have it, please get that poem besides you. Very good. We'll quickly go through the class norms. The first class norm is, if you can keep your video on, please keep it on. It will be very nice for me to see you all so that I can also understand like who is understanding, who is not understanding the things. Okay. And I can also see your thumbs ups and your smiles. Okay. The next norm is that we will mute ourselves. Like Bhaiya only has 2 ears, so he can't, or and 2 hands to write, to hear. So he can only hear one person at a time. Okay, so we will raise our hand and then we will have a chance to speak. Okay, Bhaiya will also do the same. He will not speak in between you. The third norm is very important norm, which is get your notes and your pencil and your pen to write your notes, to write the things that I am teaching you. Very good. I can see Aisha's pen. I can see Meher give me a thumbs up. I'll give you 5 seconds to assemble your notes. Okay. If you want water bottle, if you want pen, if you want book, I will give you 5 seconds. 5. Mehak, you can't hear me. All of you can hear me. Give me a thumbs up, Aisha, if you can hear me. Tejas, give me a thumbs up if I'm audible. 2 people can hear me. Aisha can hear me. Mehak, there is some problem with your phone, I guess. I guess I'm very audible. Abdul Samad, Nikhat, give me a thumbs up. Welcome, Nikhat. Amir, give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay. Yeah. I guess, Mehak, you have to check with your phone. Okay. Just try to check it. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So the 5 seconds. We know that our alien friend has gone back to his world. Okay. So he has not given me any task. But what we are doing is we will write a poem for him, just to say thank you and all, and to tell him ki how our world is right now. So we are writing a poem for him. Yesterday we wrote a poem. Okay. So I will just give a quick recap, or if any one of you can come off mute and tell me what we did yesterday, raise your hand, and then what we did yesterday. Just a quick summary. Abdul Samad has raised his hand, and Alfisha has raised his hand. Okay. Okay, Alfisha, go.
Yeah, yesterday we write our poem and we do a goal and we do so many things yesterday. Goals and there is something and we achieve our goal.
Okay, Alfisha, that was Aisha has raised her hand. Thank you, Alfisha. Please snap for Alfisha. Aisha, come off mute, and I'm going to ask you something. Okay, how did we write a poem? Did we directly wrote a poem, or did we do something before it?
Bhaiya, we first we write a question, then question, then backside that you say no what you want to become. Someone say I want to become doctor, someone say I want to become teacher. That
Very good, Aisha. Very good. That's very good answer. Abdul Samad, then what we did after answering the question?
then we have to write a poem on that each profession.
Very good. How many stanza did we wrote, Abdul Samad?
4.
4 lines, 3 stanzas. Okay, Abdul
Yeah.
Samad? Very good. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Aisha, Alfisha, and Abdul Samad for answering this question. So what we did yesterday was, Alfisha, you have raised your hand.
No, bhaiya.
Alfisha? No. Okay. So what we did yesterday was we just ideated, like thought about how to write the poem and then wrote a poem. Okay. This was our goal yesterday. There is one thing I want to clear. A lot of people were struggling with the meaning of pandemic. what is pandemic. Okay, I will try to say it once again. A pandemic means a disease. Okay, just a simple meaning is a disease, but it is not a simple disease like fever, cough, cold you get, or malaria you get. It is a disease which is there in all part of the world, or which is there in many places, at many places. Okay, that is pandemic. Okay, I just wanted to clear it that. Okay, next. Okay, before going to this, I am going to give you 15 seconds. Okay, you have to close your eyes. Think about the profession, about one profession that you chose yesterday, what you want to become in future. And if you can rename yourself like this. See, the third point, how I am doing it. Traffic police / Gaurav. Like I wanted to be traffic police and my name. Think about it and rename yourself. Okay. I will give you 15 seconds for that. Has everyone renamed themselves? Yeah. Be on mute. I'm sharing a screen. My laptop is working a bit slow. Well, just, yeah. Can you see this? Give me a thumbs up. I can see. Okay, Alfisha has renamed herself as Dr. Alfisha. Very good. I can't see any. Okay, fine. That's fine. Okay. Yesterday, I had given you a task in a message. Like you have to go on to this site and write how you feel about poems. You have to write 3 words. Give me a thumbs up who completed that task. Who completed that task? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Okay. Nikhat completed it. And no one else completed. Mehak completed it. Very good.
What, bhaiya?
Did you complete the task of the message that I had sent yesterday? Did you do it?
Which one?
I had sent a message. Now you have to go to a Mentimeter link. Okay, I'm not able to press this. I don't know why it's not working. I'm trying. Just wait for 5 seconds. Okay, fine. Fine, it's not working. By the way, I will try it sometime later. Okay. Can someone come off mute and tell me what profession did they think about other than Aisha, Alfisha, and Alfisha, Abdul Samad? Someone else. What was the profession that they chose? Can someone come off mute and tell me? Alfisha is raising her hand, but I don't want Alfisha to go again. I want someone else. Nikhat? Nikhat? Yeah. What profession did you choose and write your poem on?
Teacher and doctor.
Okay, very good. I'm sorry for that Mentimeter thing. It's not working. I don't know why. And I also don't know. Okay, fine. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to enhance that poem. Okay. Someone can, okay, Mehak, read the goal that is written on the screen. The thing that is written on the screen. Read it once. Mahak, can you hear us? Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, read the goal that is written on the screen. We will be okay. Tejas, yeah. Okay, Nikhat, read it.
We will able to enhance poem on viewing the pandemic from different people perspective by using noun verb and adjective to convey information.
Very good, Nikhat. Very good. That was a bit longer sentence. Okay, it was a long sentence. There are many words that we may not know about. Enhance. The first word is enhance. What does enhance mean? Okay, can someone come off mute? I can see Abdul Samad, Alfish, and Nikhat, Aisha participating a lot. I want other people also to participate. Fayaz, welcome, Fayaz. Alfisha has given answers. Can someone else tell me what is the meaning of enhance? Amir? Abdul Samad, mute yourself. Amir? Razia? 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 Okay. Okay. Fayaz,
Yes, Mia.
what is the meaning of enhance? Okay,
Enhance.
Alfish has. Yeah, sorry.
Enhance means we are doing a change.
Okay, change. That's a good answer. Alfisha also has typed it in chat. I will try to make a meaning of it. For me,
Bhaiya,
yeah, Abdul Samad, go ahead.
it means to increase something.
Perfect. Perfect, Abdul Samad. Almost. Enhance means to improve something. Okay. For me, it is more of a improve something. Okay. I've given this one. So if I give you something like if I give you a drawing, I color it and give it to you. But you are like, no, this drawing needs more coloring. So you will try to color it more and improve it. That is enhancing your drawing. Okay. Pandemic is the word that I have already explained it. Can someone come off mute and tell me what is the meaning of pandemic?
Outbreak of a disease in a wide geographical area.
Thank you, Nikat, for participating. But we are going to follow our norms. Okay, raise our hand. I like that answer, Nikat. Very good. Just we raise our hand and then answer. Okay. Mehak, go on mute. Nazma on mute, please. It's okay, Nikat. No problem. I like your engagement. Very good. Keep doing that. The next thing is perspective. Perspective means point of view. Yesterday I also explained it. If I say that, okay, Nikhat likes chocolate, but I will say, no, I don't like chocolate. So Nikhat has one opinion. I have different opinion. So that people can have different opinions. That is a different perspective. Okay. Then there is information also. I have not written it, but what is information? Nikhat, go on mute, Baba. Razia? Razia? What is the meaning of information? Okay, 2 people have raised their hand. I will give them a chance. Okay. Amir, very good. I can see your hand raised up. Amir.
किसी चीज की जानकारी लेना.
Perfect. Information is jankari. Perfect, Amir. Snap for you. Very good. So now there are 3 different words: noun, verbs, and adjective. I am not going to tell it first because you have learnt about it. So I want everyone to first take 10 seconds to write what is noun, verb, and adjective, and then I'm going to call people to tell it to me. Okay. Take 10 seconds to write what are nouns, what are verbs, what are adjectives. Just write 2-3 words like nouns is this, verb is this, adjective is this. Okay. Your 10 seconds start now. No one is coming off mute and telling me the answer. and someone is going to repeat what did I just say, like what you are going to do. Aisha is going to repeat that. What are we all doing right now?
We do first we write in a notebook noun, verb and adjective and think what is that and write in 10 seconds.
Very good, Aisha. I guess Nikat, you got that what we are doing. Nikat, we are writing what does uh, adjective, verbs and noun mean in your notebook. Very good. Mute yourself, Nikat. Yes, Nikat. Thank you, Nikat. 10, I can see Aisha writing. Mehak is stuck, I guess. Nazma is also writing. Nikat is writing. Abdul Samad and Fayaz and Alfisha will be writing. Amir will be writing.
Done.
Okay, give me a thumbs up when you're done. Okay, give me a thumbs up. Abdul Samad has given me a thumbs up. Very good, Abdul Samad. Aisha has given me a thumbs up. Abdul Samad has also raised his hand. I will give you a chance, Abdul Samad. Don't worry. You are going to get a chance. Dr. Abdul Samad is going to get a chance. Teacher Mehak is also going to get a chance. Teacher and Dr. Nikhat is also going to get a chance. Okay, 10 seconds are over. I want someone off mute other than Abdul Samad and Aisha because they have raised their hands and I know. Nazma will try. What is noun? What is noun?
Noun is adjective verb.
Now, what is noun?
Noun.
Yeah, just try it. Whatever you know.
Adjective verb. Adjective verb.
Okay, okay. Good try, Nazma. Can someone help Nazma to add on to it? Abdul Samad, help Nazma. What are nouns? If you're saying something, I can't hear you. If you said something, I couldn't hear you. Okay. Aisha, what are nouns? Give me an example also. I don't want the meaning. If you can give me example, okay, this is noun, bhaiya. That's fine. You're on mute, Aisha.
Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah. You forgot. That's a good answer. Alfisha.
Not answer.
Alfisha.
Yes, bhaiya. Nouns mean name, place, animal, things. For example, my Alfisha, so it is noun. The name comes in nouns. And for example, dog. So dog is also noun. Dog. The animal comes in noun. So the dog name also be the noun.
Very good. Abdul Samad has also written the answer. Thank you, Abdul Samad. Abdul Samad has almost written that a word other than a pronoun. Thank you, Abdul Samad. Thank you, Alfisha. Let's snap for Alfisha. Okay, someone is coming off mute and telling me the meaning of verb now. What are the verbs? You can also give examples. Everyone on mute. I want Fayaz to come off mute and tell. Yeah.
Bhaiya, verb means a action word like jump, hit,
Good.
run.
Very good. Very good. Nikat has also given the answer. Let's snap for both of them. And adjective, I want Amir to say. Amir. Amir, I know you can hear me, I guess.
Adjective matlab action word.
Okay, good try, Amir, but that is verb, okay? Action could be walking, eating, drinking, sitting. That are actions, that are verbs, okay? That is not adjective. Can someone help Amir? What are adjectives? There are 3 people raising their hands here. Aisha.
Describing word.
Who was that?
It is like beautiful, handsome, pretty,
Very good.
tasty, like that.
Very good. It's a describing word. It is used to describe nouns like
Yeah.
people, animal, a tiger, a big tiger, like Aisha. So beautiful Aisha. So it is used to describe people. Okay. So this is
It
nouns,
tells
verbs.
more about a noun.
Perfect. It tells very good, Fayaz. Very good. It's just we will mute ourselves and raise our hand. Okay. Then it will be confusion if all speak. If I speak, Fayaz speaks, Aisha speak, Nika speak. It will be like we don't know who is speaking. Mantra Didi will get irritated. Okay. And I will also. So these are nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Okay. If you want to write it, I'll give you 5 seconds. I know everybody knows of it. It's just if you want to take the notes, take it. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fine. Okay. This is a short practice. Okay. This is a short practice. Okay. So there is a sentence. You have to identify the noun, verbs, and adjectives in the sentence. Okay. Can someone read the sentence? It's a big sentence. I want it. It is a paragraph more than a sentence. I want someone to read the entire paragraph.
Can I?
Yes, Nikat, go ahead.
Rahul is going on a picnic. He has big tiffin box and small bottle. He is running toward the bus. His dog is saying goodbye to him.
Very good. Before identifying, we are going to follow our yesterday's practice. We are going to give feedback to our friends. Okay. One good thing and one thing that the friend can improve on. Who wants to give feedback to Nikat? Like, how did she read? Okay. If she read nicely, or how can she improve on reading the paragraph? Okay. There are 4 people who wants to give feedback. I will give I will give chance to Fayaz. Give a feedback to Nikat.
Bhaiya, she speak nicely and loudly. We can hear her properly, but she should improve on like that dot
Very good.
full stop.
Perfect. Perfect.
She has to wait there for 2 seconds and then go forward.
Perfect, Fayaz. Thank you for the feedback. And also, Nikat, thank you for reading. Okay. Please take this feedback sportingly. Okay.
Okay.
And try. Thank you, Nikat. Thank you, Fayaz. Okay. Everyone has to make the table that you can see on the screen and try to identify noun, verbs, and adjectives from the sentence, from the paragraph. We are going to take 10 seconds to do the entire thing. 15 seconds. Please mute yourself. Take 15 seconds to draw the table as well as identify nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Okay. Give me a thumbs up when you're done with it. I want people other than Nikat and Fayaz to answer right now. Okay. I can see Amir raising hand, which is very, very good. Mehak. Yeah. Did you complete the table? Mehak. It's okay, Mehak. Type your answers in the chat. Nazma. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up, Nazma. Okay. Nazma is writing. Can someone come off mute and tell me what are the nouns, verbs, and adjectives in this paragraph? Abdul Samad wants to take a chance. I can see two hands raised, Nikhat and Alfisha. Nikhat, I'm sorry. You will get a chance after this. Okay, I want someone new to
Okay,
answer
okay.
it. I'm sorry. Alfisha has also answered a lot. Abdul Samad is on this stuck. Okay, Alfisha, go.
So
Alfisha?
bhaiya, in this noun,
Yeah.
a noun, in this noun is Rahul.
Yes. Yes. And continue.
The noun is Rahul.
And there are no nouns.
And tiffin.
And there are so many nouns. I can see nouns.
Tiffin
Nikat, add on to it.
also.
Thank you,
Dog.
Alfisha. Dog. Very good. There is bus also.
Bottle.
See.
Ball.
Bottle. Okay, very good. You can
I
identify the nouns.
say
Thank you. Verbs. Amir. Amir. Okay, there are 4 people raising their hands. Okay, Aisha.
Verbs is running to the bus.
Yes. Then
Then bhaiya, I don't write. I write one only.
okay, there is saying, but it is. I am now realizing that it's a wrong word that I've used for the example. Saying is a verb. Okay, it's an action that we say. It is not right in that paragraph. The
Going.
sentence doesn't sound good. Going. To go is a verb. We are doing some action while going. While talking, we are doing some action. While eating, we are doing some action. These are all action words. Okay. Thank you. Adjective. Fayaz gets a chance.
Adjective is bhaiya big
Yes.
and small.
Big and small. Perfect. Thank you, Fayaz. Thank you. I guess everyone has understood this. Give me a thumbs up. This was a revision, but give me a thumbs up if everyone has understood this. I can see no thumbs ups. Only one thumbs up. 2 thumbs ups. 3, 5, 6. Okay, Mantra change. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now you're going to just stop doing everything that you have. Just fold your hands, look at me, and listen to me. Okay. Now Paya is going to model out, like say what are we going to do today. Then you have to repeat the steps. Okay. What I did yesterday was I wrote a poem. On what profession did I write a poem? Traffic policeman. Okay. I wrote a poem of traffic policeman. So I answered the 4 questions. Who am I? I am a traffic policeman. Where do I work? I work on roads. I work in police station. What do? I manage the vehicles on the road and whistle and also wave my hand. How has the pandemic been for me? So the pandemic has been tiring as I'm working all day long to ensure that the lockdown is obeyed. So in general, I have to be on the roads for a longer time and ensure that the lockdown is obeyed. Obeyed means lockdown का what I can say in Hindi obey हो रहा है मतलब पालन हो रहा है. I don't know if you understand that. People are not going out of their houses. That is the simple meaning. I wrote this poem yesterday. I will read it again, okay? I am a traffic police standing on the road all day and night in sun and cold. The past 6 months have been tiring and not right, but I will not give up and continue the fight. Today, I am going to enhance this poem. I am going to make it a little more beautiful, if I can say, a little more easy to read, and I'm going to add little words, okay? How I'm going to enhance my poem? How am I going to enhance my poem? How is Aisha, Abdul Samad, Mehak, Nikhat, Nazma, Alfisha, Amir, and Fayaz? How are we going to enhance a poem? We are first going to read a poem. Then we are going to make this table. I give
I
you 10
already
seconds
make.
to. Thank you. Can we like give me a thumbs up if you have made this table? Make a long table, okay? Because we have to do it for 3 professions. Give me a thumbs up when we have done it, like when you have completed it, okay?
Can you repeat your question?
Yeah, Alfisha,
Yes, भैया.
did you say something?
Yeah, the network is not working.
Yeah, I say to repeat your question.
Mehak, there is some problem with your network. Please type your type in chat, or just message or call me after the Zoom call. Okay, we'll talk about it. I'm
Bhaiya,
sorry.
can you send see the table? I don't draw it.
Yes, I'll keep it for 10 seconds. Please draw this table, everyone.
Can you repeat your question, भैया?
Mehak, Alfisha, I haven't asked any question right now. Just draw this table. I will say what to do. Okay, there are no questions today. I'll say what to. Just draw this table and we'll figure it out how to go about it. Okay. Give me a thumbs up when you're finished drawing the table. I can see no thumbs up. Only one thumbs up. Okay, I will wait for more 5 seconds because 2 thumbs ups, 4 thumbs ups. I will wait for 2 more. Alfisha has not given me a thumbs up. If she has, please please press the emoticon again. Okay, I will wait for 5 seconds. 4. Aisha, be on mute. Thank you. Yeah. So we are going to use this table. How? That's the question. How we are going to enhance a poem? First read a poem, then make this table in a book, and then what we are going to think is we are going to think about the profession. You have written a stanza or a poem on one profession. I have written a poem on traffic policeman. I am going to think about traffic policeman. Then what I am going to think, what are the different nouns that I can assign, like I can give to a traffic policeman. Mehak, please mute yourself. I know you can't hear anything. I'm sorry for that. Like, I am sorry for your network connection, but I will talk to you on after the call. I will call you. Don't worry. Okay? Fine. Fine. So, what are we going to do is, thank you. What are we going to do is, we are going to think about nouns that I can give to a traffic policeman. I am going to think about verbs that I can think when I think of traffic policeman. Adjectives that I can assign or I can write about traffic policeman. What I'm going to do, I'm repeating again. Okay, I'm going to first read my poem.
Like bhaiya, we have to read our poem, and in the poem there are nouns, verbs, and adjective. We have to write that.
No, listen to me carefully. Okay, all on mute. Listen to me carefully. We are not going to, please, all on mute. Nazma on mute. Yeah. See, what we are going to do is we are not going to identify nouns, verbs, and adjectives from the poem. First, you see what I am doing. Okay. If then there are doubts, we'll sort it. We are going to read our poem. We are going to make this table, and then we are going to think about what nouns can I give to traffic policemen. What adjectives can I say about traffic policemen? Let me model it out. Okay. I think that will be better. Okay. What is my profession? Traffic policeman, right? What are the nouns I can give to it? Nouns is first policeman. That is a noun. Signal, because it stands on signal. Signal is a thing. That is a noun I can give to it. Okay, there is a spelling mistake of vehicle. I am so sorry. Vehicles, cars, trucks. I can write because when I think of traffic policeman, these are the nouns I think of. Uniform I think of. There are so many nouns I think of. His cap, that's a noun. Okay, is this clear? Give me a thumbs up if this was clear. I am going to repeat it. Just give me a thumbs up if you understood something at least. Nikat has given me a thumbs up. Aisha Nazma has given me a thumbs up. Fayaz, I will come to a doubt after the whole thing. Okay, just hold on with me. Verbs. Now, what are the verbs that I can think when I imagine about traffic policeman? What action does traffic policeman does? He waves his hand, he walks, he runs, he checks the paper, he looks at the vehicles. So there are so many actions that traffic policeman can do. He moves, he waves his hand, he whistles. He has a whistle, he whistles, he walks, he checks his papers. Okay, so these are the different actions that traffic policeman can do. And I am thinking about this. You can add on. For example, if someone has a doctor, there are so many actions that doctor do. He gives injection, so he injects. He gives medicine, so giving is an action. He does operation, so doing. Okay, there are so many things a doctor do. A guitarist plays guitar, so playing is an action. Okay, what are the adjective I can give to traffic policeman? Brave. He's a policeman. He's such a brave. Brave means what? Can someone come off mute and tell me brave? Raise your hands. What does brave mean? Yes, Fayaz.
भाई ब्रेव मतलब क्या होता है?
Means bahadur.
Brave
Like-
means
Scared of anything.
perfect. Brave means bahadur. Bahadur होता है ना, like very not fearing anything, facing every trouble. Okay, that is brave.
Like Shivaji Maharaj.
Shivaji Maharaj. Perfect, perfect. Okay, Shivaji Maharaj, there are different kings and all. So brave is one adjective that I can think for policeman. Then careful, because policeman has to be careful, right? He has to be careful from corona this time. Like he has to be thoughtful about is this person sick or not. He has to check his paper. Okay, these are the different nouns, verbs, and adjectives that I thought about. Okay, now I'm going to enhance my poem. See how I enhance my poem. Okay, this was my last poem. This was the poem that I wrote yesterday. Okay, yesterday. Now I'm going to enhance this poem only. I'm not going to write a new poem out of this. I'm just going to add words in this. Okay, just see here. See, yesterday it was I am a traffic police. What I did today, I can think of an adjective now. I am a brave traffic police. Yesterday it was just standing on the road, but the road is busy. I can think of that adjective. Road is busy with vehicles and all. So I am a brave traffic police standing on the busy road. Yesterday it was just all day and night. I can add a verb here. I have thought about a verb whistle. So I can add whistling all day and night. Yesterday it was just in sun and cold. Now I can add some adjectives. I have to make my poem better so that people who read it can also imagine. So when I say brave policeman, you can imagine, okay, you can close your eyes and he's brave policeman. So whistling all day and night in hot sun and freezing cold. Yes, yesterday it was just, Mehak, mute yourself, sun and cold, okay. So the next sentence was the past 6 months have been tiring and not right. I didn't change this, okay. I'm not telling you to change every sentence. There are some sentences that you can change, you can add, and certain sentences you don't have to change. Okay, Abdul Samad, I will come to you. I will just complete this and come to you. But I will be more careful and continue the fight. I added one more adjective, careful. So I added a verb, I added an adjective here. I could also add a noun, but I didn't add it here. Okay, this was the thing that I did. Is the thing that I taught you clear? How are you going to enhance the poem? Give me a thumbs up, and Abdul Samad is going to ask his doubt. Abdul Samad, ask your doubt.
Can you explain this traffic on na?
This one. Abdul Samad?
Yeah, bhaiya.
Yes. Okay, I will explain it once again in short. Okay, everyone pay attention. what I'm going to do today is we are going to enhance our poem, improve our poem. How are we going to improve our poem? We are going to add some words of adjectives, verbs, and nouns according to the profession. And we are not going to write a new poem. We are going to just write and improve the poem that we wrote yesterday. Which profession did I choose yesterday? Traffic policeman. So my profession is traffic policeman. What are the different nouns that I can think with respect to traffic policeman? Traffic policeman अगर मैं सोचता हूँ तो मुझे क्या क्या चीजें दिखती है, क्या क्या नाम दिखते हैं, क्या क्या प्लेस दिखते हैं. I can write about that. What are the nouns? Police, signal, vehicle, uniform, road. That is a place. Then is police station. That is a place. I can add that also. What are the different actions that a policeman does? क्योंकि वर्ब सोचना है मुझे, वो क्या क्या करते हैं. जब मैं इमेजिन करता हूँ आंख बंद करके, तो पुलिसमैन हाथ हिलाते हैं, वो चलते हैं, वो भागते हैं, वो पेपर चेक करते हैं, वो विसल करते हैं. So what are the verbs? Moves, waves, whistles, walks, checks. Okay. Then what are the adjectives? Policeman कैसे मैं describe कर सकता हूँ? वो brave होते हैं. They are very good. Yes. They are careful. They are cautious. Cautious is the tough word. You have to find the meaning of cautious from dictionary and tell me on WhatsApp. Okay. Did you understand, Abdul Samad? Then I wrote this. Then I improved this poem. Okay. Give me a thumbs up because now you are going to get time to improve your poem by doing the same thing. First filling the table and then adding the words. Give me a thumbs up.
Bye.
Okay.
Yes, Bhaiya.
I can see 2-3 thumbs ups. Mantra, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Should I open a breakout room?
What are we doing in the breakout room?
Yeah. They are going to enhance their poem right now. Okay. All the students individually.
Okay.
So you may need to help some students with like words and all.
Yeah, sure. Put me in a breakout room.
Okay. It's okay if you stay in the main room. I will go in the breakout room I will working with 3 students. Okay, today. It's not any partiality or something. I have selected random students. Okay. I am going to work with Amir, Fayaz, and Tejas. And Mantra Didi is going to work with other people. Okay. Is that fine with everyone?
Yes.
Give me a thumbs up.
Yes.
Okay. Just hold for a second. Till then, you can start writing. Start making the table. Your time starts now for your profession. Fayaz, I have read your.
Tell me some for pilot.
Yeah. Think about it. You want adjectives and nouns, right?
भैया ब्रेकआउट रूम में कौन जाएगा फिर?
ब्रेकआउट रूम में आज के लिए फयाज, तेजस एंड आमिर इज कमिंग विथ मी एंड मंत्रा दीदी इज विथ यू. इज दैट फाइन?
मतलब हम लोग को नहीं जाने का ना भैया?
नहीं. पहले मैं देखता हूँ मुझे ब्रेकआउट रूम बनाने आ रहा है कि नहीं. Then we will figure that out. You start writing. Your time has started.
It means good.
Fayaz, Amir, and Tejas, you will get a request to join a breakout room. Accept it. Mantra, I will open the breakout room. Is it fine?
Yeah, you go. I'll have to be with the rest of them, right?
Yeah.
Go.
Okay.
Mantra Didi,
Yes.
Didi, that doctor check with his that he has in neck. What is that?
I don't understand your question.
Didi, the doctor.
The doctor? Yes, Alfisha. Yeah. Yes, Aisha, you can start. All of you start writing. Yeah, you guys have 5 minutes. So start writing.
Didi, our poem and then inside our profession and that one, na Didi?
Yeah, that one only.
Didi,
what does
tell now
Bhaiya
what
do
is
now?
that called?
What is that called? What is what called?
Didi, that doctor wears neck and check the fever.
Yeah, he is. What? Oh, here it's a stethoscope. It's a stethoscope.
Yeah, stethoscope.
Yeah, it's a stethoscope. Yeah, the neck, right? The one
Can
he uses
you
to check. Wait,
can you
I'm
say the
okay.
Tejas,
ST. Sorry, Alfisha. I'm sending it to you.
Tejas,
say
Tejas.
type it in a chat?
Yeah, yeah.
Thermometer.
It's not. No. Wait. I sent. How can he wear the thermometer in his neck?
No, Didi, he checks with the thermometer na.
Oh, you asked that. I thought you said the neck one. The one he wears in the neck.
1 minute. What do this for 5 mean we will back at 10:41? Amir and Tejas don't break out room. Hello, भैया.
Mantra.
Yeah.
So I don't know why Tejas and Seagull didn't join.
They just kept mute the other one. Yeah, they just kept dropping off. He joined now. I can't hear you. No.
Now,
Yeah. Now what? No. No.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
I have to change, I have to switch to my laptop, but it's okay. We don't have to go to the presentation right now. Give me a thumbs up. Come on. If everyone has finished it, give me a thumbs up. Okay. I can see Aisha smiling. I hope she has written a very good poem. Where is my, okay, Fayaz is back. Very good, Fayaz. Abdul Samad, give me a thumbs up. Boy.
Yes.
Mute yourself, Baba. Tejas, give me a thumbs up. If you have done, finished, done anything, give me a thumbs up. I know you kept coughing. Alfisha, Dr. Alfisha. Very good. Very good. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to share our poem. Okay. Before sharing our poem, listen to me very carefully. We all are going to give feedbacks to our friend. For example, if Aisha shares a poem, some other people will give feedback, but that feedback has to be polite. Okay, like you have to tell one good thing and one thing that they can improve on, but our friends shouldn't feel bad. If I'm saying something and you tell me, okay भैया आप कुछ भी सिखा रहे हो यार, ऐसा थोड़ी सिखाते, I will feel bad about it. You ensure that when you're giving feedback, you don't feel bad. Friends, the person who is sharing doesn't feel bad about it. Who wants to share first? Come on. We have two new friends here, Divya Didi and Jayashree Didi. So we are going to share your poem with them also. Alfisha? Okay, I will give you a chance. Okay, share it.
I am a strong doctor working in hospital. I give injection medicine and use stethoscope. It makes me tired, but I don't give up.
Okay. What new words did you add it today?
I add strong injection medicine stethoscope. I don't give up.
Okay. Did you add any adjective? Can you add any adjective to this? Like how is doctor? Doctor is cat. I want someone to give. I want someone to give feedback to Alfisha. Some brave person to come and give feedback to Alfisha. Okay. Who is going to do that? Aisha, are you raising your hand? Aisha, do you want to give feedback to Alfisha?
Yes.
Yeah, go on.
Try once again. I don't listen her poem properly, but he say that when I give injection, I will be strong person. That I
Okay.
like.
That you like. Very good, Alfisha. What can she improve on? You told her good. Do better.
No, bhaiya.
No, you can't. She has done perfectly. This is the best she can do.
She have to write nicely and say like what we understand. He doing he's saying one thing and waiting like that he's doing.
Okay, Aisha, I get your feedback. Alfisha, that was a very good try. I will just push you to do something more, okay? This is my feedback, okay? Don't feel bad about it. I want you to add more adjectives and verbs into it, okay? I like the way we added so many nouns to it. But can we add adjective to it? Think about it. Think about it and then tell me on WhatsApp. I want someone else to share it. Fayaz, can you share your poem with everyone? You had added some new words with adjectives. Yeah, go on.
I am a brave pilot who believes in self-confidence. I work on the airport. I fly a plane on the airport. I am not able to go to the I am not able to go to the airport because of the pandemic.
Okay, fine. Someone feedback for Fayaz first. Let's snap for Alfisha, Fayaz, and Aisha because they've engaged in the activity. Let's snap for them. Come on. I can see Aisha and Abdul Samad on my screen. All other videos are off. Someone giving feedback to Fayaz. What has he done good and what? I want other than Aisha. Nikhat. Hello, Nikhat. Nikhat. Okay. Abdul Samad.
Yeah.
Can you give a feedback to Fayaz? What he did good, what can he improve? This is a poem, okay? I'm giving you a hint. What can he do good?
He said the like brave and that one is correctly, that is good, and one thing is bad. He need to say in like slowly, like we said a poem na bhaiya.
Yes,
That-
yes. Yes,
So
I get your feedback. I get your feedback. You should say it as a poem. Is that what you're trying to say?
yes, yes.
Okay, Abdul Samad, I heard you. Fayaz, this is my feedback, okay? Don't feel bad about it. My feedback would be कि you have written a very good. You have added adjectives, you have added verbs. Can we add some rhyming words if we can, okay? I'm not saying this is not a poem, but can we push to add rhyming words? Like with pilot, can you add something?
Yes, yeah.
Do that, okay? Do that. Mantra Didi, you want to add something to this? This is a sharing session. You can.
No, I just want to see how they're going to improve first. Like, we like one suggestion at a time, right? I'm okay with it. Like right now, I want to see how well they've incorporated the grammar part. Maybe if you want to add rhyming as a thing, then let's keep it like the same. Like let them all add rhyming words, like one by one, and see how well they're improving.
Okay, I genuinely like the poem that Alfisha Fayaz has. I also have read poem of Aisha, Nikhat, Mehak has forwarded me a poem. They are very good poem. Okay, and I'm sorry if I'm being harsh for the feedback, but we are always trying to, like, my poem was not good yesterday. I realized it, so I improved it today. Okay, I enhanced it. I added some verbs, I added some adjectives. I had even spelling mistakes. I corrected that. So we are going to all push ourselves to add new words. Okay, to add what we can improve everything. Is that fine? Give me a thumbs up if everyone has understood everything. And if anyone has doubts, please come off mute, raise your hands and come off mute and ask doubts. I can see 2 thumbs ups, one for Aisha, one from Abdul Samad. Nikhat is facing some problems. Welcome, Hina. I know you have a lot of problems with your internet. You can keep it off. Nikhat, I have read your meaning of cautious on chat. It is absolutely right. Thank you for answering that.
Bhaiya, can I say my poem?
Yes, Aisha, go ahead. We have 3 minutes. Actually, you can. Like, it's a short ending for me.
I am a teacher and I work in a school. In school, there is a board, chalk, and stick. Board stick on the wall, wall, and chalk is my hand and stick in my hand. And I see the kid, and I am strong and nice teacher in COVID-19.
That's a very good poem, Aisha. Perfect. Also text me on WhatsApp what new words did you add today. Okay, tell me that on WhatsApp. I'm sorry I can't take more poems, but I want everyone to share this poem on WhatsApp and also that table. Like what?
I
new
already
words-
said.
Okay, thank you, Alfisha. I guess right. It was Alfisha. Very good. Nikhat, thank you, Alfisha. Thank you. Please share it and also share that table. Now for assessment, what you are going to do is you are going to repeat it for 2 more professions. We wrote it for 1, right? But yesterday I told you to do it for 3. Doctor, engineer, and something that you chose. We did it for 1 in the class. The rest 2, you are doing it for homework, doing the same thing, making the table, adding it in your poem and sending it to. You have time till 6 o'clock. Okay. Now, actually, the class is over. I will send some photos on WhatsApp, but no one is dropping off.
Bhaiya,
Test right now. Yeah.
today is science test, no?
Yes. Now you are going to give science test. No one is dropping off. I will send the photos of assessment and how to write it on WhatsApp. Okay. The class is formed.
Yeah.
You all
Bhaiya, class photo.
Yes, class photo, please on your videos. I can request Jayashree Didi and Divya Didi also to on their videos. Okay, say hi to Divya Didi and Jayashree Didi. Say hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi,
Hi all, how are you?
Hi.
Okay, class photo, smile. Thank you. Okay, now class photo is over. Now your test is
Thank you.
on. So gather your notebooks and pen. Okay, I'm going to share my screen till then. Can you see my screen? Give me a thumbs up if I can see my screen.
It has only started sharing, but we can't see what.
Okay, okay, okay. Hold for a sec, okay? Just gather your notebooks and pen. My laptop is working slow. Now you can see my screen, right? Just give me a thumbs up.
Bhaiya, we can see enhance your poem one.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Fayaz. Just be with me for a minute, okay? This laptop is.
No. आपने कल बताया था, मुझे बता रहे हैं।
Mantra?
Yes. How may I help you?
Oh,
What's happening?
Again,
I'm not able to share my screen right now. I don't know why. I will try to, okay? Just hold for a second.
yes, भैया now
What?
we can see clearly. Yes.
Please take your notes. I'm saying not notes, okay? Nobody is going to open textbook. Take your notebook and a pen. Okay, our sharing time is over. Okay. Your time starts now. You have 3 minutes to complete this page, okay? Time starts now.
And I want you to
Before that, give me a thumbs up if all are ready. I'm sorry. Give me a thumbs up if all are ready. Okay, I can three thumbs up, 4 thumbs up. I will tell you what you're going to do, okay? You're just going to write the answers like A or B. Yeah, when there is A, B, C, D, just write C, okay? Don't write the questions right now. It's okay. Just write one number ka answer C.
Alpisha and Nikhil.
You're going to get 3 minutes to do this. It's 11:55, 11:58. I'm going to change the screen.
1 second.
Thumbs up when you're done with it.
Gaurav?
Yeah, Mantra, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm just asking Nikat, Alfisha and Fayaz to switch on their video while writing the test.
Yes. Everyone is going to keep their video on. Nikhat and Alfisha, video on. Thank you, Mantra, for that. Two more minutes. Nikat, you are raising your hand. I can't answer you between the class. I'm sorry. We'll take this after the class. Just write it whatever you feel. Okay. It's a very simple. You have to choose one option. Fayaz has given me a thumbs up. I guess he has finished it. We'll take more 1 minute. You don't have to write the questions. You can just write the answer. That's okay for me. Last 30 seconds, I'm going to change the screen. Give me a thumbs up. Aisha and Fayaz has finished it. Nikhat, Tejas, Abdul Samad, Aisha. Okay, I'm changing the screen in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Changed.
What is the tip?
I'm not going to answer anything. I'm sorry. More 2 minutes. Aisha has finished it. Fayaz has finished it.
Done, bhaiya.
Those who have finished it, click a picture right now, and I wanted WhatsApp. Okay, then only we are going ahead. And no one is leaving the call without sending me the photos on WhatsApp. And also write your name, like Aisha photo ke saath, so that I know whose this is. If I haven't saved their number right now, then we are going ahead.
What you say?
Alfisha, you are going to click a picture of the MCQs or the fill in the blanks and send it to me right now on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Hello, bhaiya. Hello.
I don't have any photos till now.
Haan, Tejas, what are you asking?
Well, Didi, it is this many question only.
Yeah, only these many questions. Once you finish it, click a picture and send it to Bhaiya right now.
Yes.
There are more questions. Sorry, Mantra.
Test is
There are more
There
questions.
are. Then why are we asking them to click a picture?
Because they can take a hint from the next thing.
Oh, I'm sorry, Tejas. I didn't know. I'm sorry.
They are used. They can take a hint, but I don't want them to write.
Okay.
that is over. There is more.
Strict Bhaiya.
Sorry for that, students.
You only conduct tests now from
You are
now.
making me a bad cop right now.
No, you're a good cop. And right now, see, I'm just saying you're a good test taker.
Fayaz has sent forwarded it to me. Tejas, Nikhat, Alfisha, Aisha and Abdul Samad, I am waiting. Aisha has forwarded it. Abdul Samad, Nikhat, Tejas, Alfish, I am waiting. Okay, fine. Send it to me, okay? Don't change your answers after this. Like, it's okay. These are the questions that you're going to answer now. Write the answers. Like, first question and then answer, okay?
Bhaiya, if we don't know answer of a question, we can leave the question.
Just leave a space. So you have to
Okay.
think about it, okay? You don't know. Alfisha, on your video.
Bhaiya, we have that question also.
Don't write question, it's okay. Just write question number. If it's okay if you don't write a question right now, just write question number. And please on your video. Nikhat has also forwarded it to me, I guess. Okay. I will check it. I will check it in 10 minutes, okay, after I end the call. Not in evening. I'm going to check it now and tell you. Give me a thumbs up when you're done with it. Fayaz, thank you. You get more 3 minutes. Like, Alfisha is thinking about it. Very good. Fayaz, till then you can think about the answer, okay? You can get the answer. The one you have not written. Think about it. We'll take last 2 minutes. Is that okay? Give me a thumbs up. Like, Fayaz, I know you will give me a thumbs up. Yeah. Fayaz, till then you can forward me the image of this on WhatsApp. Give me a thumbs up if there is a last question. Last question, okay? Give me a thumbs up if I can go ahead. Alfisha, Nikhat, Tejas, or should I wait for more 2 minutes or 4 minutes? Nikhat, thank you. Fayaz, thank you.
As 2 minutes clear.
I should wait, Alfisha. I will wait for 1 minute, okay? Abdul Samad, give me a thumbs up. Okay, 30 seconds. 30, 20, 20, 15, 10, 5, 3, 1.
भैया wait.
Wait. Last 30 seconds, okay? I will move ahead, okay? I will move ahead. Okay. This is your next question. Name the different parts of leaf. You have to draw a leaf and name it, the different parts. I at least want names of 5, okay? At least. You can name more than that, but I don't want you to name less than that. Draw a leaf and then name it.
Yeah, we have to draw it.
Yeah, draw a simple leaf. Don't color it and all. Draw a simple leaf and just write which is what. खिड़की लाइट बंद. Take more 1 minute. Give me a thumbs up. And no one is going to drop the call without sending me the whole thing on WhatsApp, okay? Once you send the whole thing and I say to drop off, then only you are going to drop off, okay? No one is going to drop the call before that. Those who have completed it, send me a photograph and come off mute and tell me that you have sent the photographs, all the 3 things. I will check it and then you will drop from the...
Yeah, I send it.
All the 3?
Yeah.
Wait, Aisha. Don't drop off from the call. Okay, I will check it. Aisha, you can drop off from the call. Thank you. I will check it and send it to you on WhatsApp till 1 at least. Drop off. Thank you. Bye.
Done, भैया.
Who was that?
Alfisha.
Alfisha, where are your photos? I can't see your photo on
I
the.
will send you, bhaiya. Wait.
Yeah, before leaving the call. Fayaz. Yeah. Okay, you're writing. Right. Sorry. Alfisha,
Yeah, I write 5.
you wrote, Fayaz? Send me a photo. Then you can drop off. Not before that. First send me a photo and then I will tell you whether to or not. Okay. Alfisha,
Yes, bhaiya.
you only forwarded me one photo till now, right?
Yeah, I am ending with it.
Yeah. Abdul Samad,
Yes, bhaiya.
I didn't get your photos.
Yes.
Tejas, Fayaz,
Yes, bhaiya.
you didn't write the answers to the questions?
Alright.
This.
The second and third one I don't write.
Okay, fine.
That I don't
Thank
understand.
you. Thank you. You can drop off from the call. I will send
Okay.
you model answers of these. Okay. Drop off. Thank you. Bye. Bye, Fayaz. Bye. What थोड़े Nikat? Nikat?
Yes.
84249, is this your number?
Yes. Yes.
Nikat, I got your answers. It's okay if you also
Can I
can.
leave?
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, bye.
Bhaiya, I will send.
Alfisha, I got your answers. Thank you. You can drop off. Thank you. Tejas and Abdul Samad?
Yes. I'm ending.
Mantra Didi, when we have class for the event.
Abdul Samad finishes, we'll have the class. Let Abdul Samad finish and then we'll have the class.
Now,
Yeah, now.
okay, I'm leaving. I will join again.
Yeah.
All the best, Alfisha. Yeah, Abdul Samad, I received your answers. Thank you. You can drop off or ask Mantra Didi.
Yes, yes. Bye, Bhaiya.
Bye, bye, Abdul Samad. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Tejas. 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 Yeah.
Hello, Bhaiya.
Yeah, I got only one page, okay, like one image. You have not done parts of leaf?
Bhaiya, I don't understand that one.
Fine,
That
fine. ठीक है, drop off. I will talk to you about the whole test and how to go about it, okay?
yes.
Thank you, Tejas. Thank you, Tejas.
दीदी भैया बोले लिफ्ट कर दूं?
Mantra?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, they have forwarded you the test. And
Dude, this is so good. I love the way you're conducting the test. It's good.
seriously?
It's nice. It won't work with all the kids because of their house and network issue and all. But with these kids, like in small groups, no, just like
Yeah.
five kids, like we can divide the kids into five and actually conduct this unit test.
Yeah, we can do
Because
this.
because otherwise, no, we need to get some high end thing where they can't move to another screen. If you move, then the test ends. Kind of a high end thing. I have no idea how to create those tests. I don't even know if I have the bandwidth to create that. But these things will work, but it's a lot of work for both of us. Like divide the kids into five group, but it'll work. This is good. Keep your videos on and then answer the question which is put up on this thing screen.
Yeah, and then send it on WhatsApp. You can check it also. But these kids are not understanding what are the two types. They don't understand. They are not able to read it.
Dude, till now, only one class you've taken so far on the topic, right? So it's okay. You do remediation, you do revision, they'll understand. It takes a little
Okay.
bit time, no? Yeah. So one class,
Yeah.
they've attempted to write the test, okay? So be happy. They wrote so
Yeah.
much. Also, what I wanted to tell was, Buddu, the second part, when you said, then the answer, so I don't want them to get prompts. Then you should have sent these question answers pehle, uske baad wo MCQ wala, because MCQ had all the answers. But then don't worry, okay?
I didn't realize that. Yeah, right.
Yeah, so that should be the thing. That's okay. But our kids know some of them actually guess and right, but most of them are like, no, it's different answers, and they don't even think.
Yeah. Get you. Yeah,
Okay.
like, but I will make such test only for Monday for maths and science again. Let's see.
The one thing, just remember, give these kind of questions first and then MCQ.
For after MCQ.
See, the thing is, if you want to give MCQ, give, but there shouldn't be any answers prompted in other questions.
Yeah.
Any of your assessment, okay? That's the only thing.
Yeah.
Not that all the kids will understand, but still, some of them, like Fayaz and all, like he'll definitely take it. Spellings, answer, if it's there in any, that's the first thing he gauges in a question paper. He'll look everywhere. Like what
Smart.
is there?
Smart.
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है. I will check it and also tell you the like scores of kids. Okay.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay, I will drop off. I have to join it at 1. I will have my lunch.
Cool. Bye.
Bye.